Welcome dear learners, this is Aishwarya, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. In this video, we are going to see about nomenclature of coordination compound. The basic protocol in nomenclature is to name the ligands attached to the metal as prefixes before the metal name. That means we have to name the ligands before the metal or metal ion. Some common ligands and their names are listed above. Some ligands are called in the name in the complexes. Acid as called as acido, bromide as bromide, chloride as chloro, cyanide as cyano, fluoride as fluoro, hydroxy, hydroxide hydroxo, carbonate carbonato, oxalate oxalato, oxide oxo, ammonia amine, carbon monoxide carbonyl, ethylene diamine ethylene diamine, pyridine as pyridine, water as aqua. Order of naming the ions. The name of the positive ion, that means cation, whether simple or complex, is written first, and the name of the negative anion is written. The name of the complex ion is written first, and then the name of the simple anion is written. The name of the complex species is started with a small letter, and the full name of the species written is a one word without any gap. In this example, the cation is pentamine chloro cobalt 3, anion is chloride. So name of the complex cation, anions are written in such way that the name of the ligands present in the coordination sphere should be written first, then the name of the metal ion should be written. Also while the non-ionic species. For the naming of the ligands, when the negative ligands may be end in O, IDO, ITO or ATO. So the ligands ends in O, cyano, oxo, nitrito, hydroxo, example. Then the ligands end with the IDO or the acido, iodido, cyanido, bromido. The ligands ends with ITO is nitrito, sulfito. Then the ligands ends with ATO is carbonato, sulfato, nitrato. So neutral ligands have no special ending. Generally their names are retained. Amine, aqua, carbonyl, so like this. Then the positive ligands are end in IM, IUM. That means hydrogenium, nitrosonium, ammonium, pyridinium, like this. So organic free radicals also give their own names: methyl, pentatienyl, ethyl, phenyl, like this. The order of naming of the ligands. All ligands, whether they are negative, neutral, positive, or are named in the alphabetical order, followed by a name of the metal atom. The prefixes tell the number of types of ligand in the complexes. If the name of the ligand itself such as a prefix, alternatives like bis, tris, quis, etc. The next one is amphidentate ligands. It is a monodentate ligands more than one coordinating donor atoms. This attachment of such ligands central metal atoms is indicated either by using different names for the ligands, by placing a symbol of the donor atom after the name of the ligand separated by the hyphen. When OCN is linked with a metal atom through O atom, it is called as the cyanotope. It is represented as a OCN. On the other end, when the ligand gets attached with the metal atom through N atom, it is called as a isocyanato. It is represented also OCN. So in this complexes is an anion, the ending is changed into a 8. The oxidation number of the metal is listed as a Roman numerical in a parenthesis immediately after the name of the metal. In this example, the cation is sodium, anion is tetrachlorooxomolybdato. In the complex ion, neutral ligands are written before anionic ligands, and the formula for the whole ion is placed in a bracket. So next one is the name of the bridging ligands. A complex having two metal atoms is called the polynuclear complexes. So it is a bridging ligands or bridging compounds. Then the naming of the metal atom. The naming of metal atom depends upon the whether the complex species is complex anion, cation, non-ionic complexes. The species has H plus ion as its cation. The metal name is written followed by its oxidation state in Roman number 1, 2, 3 and 0 for negative, -1, -2, -3. Some rules for the naming the complex ion. So cation is named before the anion. Within the complex ion, the ligands are named in alphabetical order before the metal ion. Neutral ligands generally have the molecule name, but there are the few exceptions. Anionic ligand drop the IDE and add O after the root name. A numerical prefix indicates the number of ligands or particular type. The oxidation state center metal ion given by the Roman number. Only if the metal ion can have more than one state, the compound name in a Roman. If the complex ion is an anion, we drop the ending the name and add to the 8. Give the correct name for this compound. It's tetraco dichlorochromium 3 chloride. Next one is write the formula for these compounds. Tris ethylene diamine cobalt sulfate. Thank you.